Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to edit the view only format documents on the Google Sheet application by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Sheet application, and the next thing you need to do is just log in with your account that you used for the work, and you just need to open the files that is in a view only format. Here I already get one, and you will see there's view only information whenever you open the documents. But then if this information doesn't pop up on your screen, you can just check it by clicking these three small dots on the top right corner, and there will be information about the format right below the title, which is the view only here. And whenever the document is in a view only, whenever you click the cells, there will be no edit access or edit button that you can click, so that you will not gonna able to edit this whole documents. So how the way to edit it, you just need to click three small dots and click request edit access, so that the Google Sheets account will send ask for a request about the permissions to edit the documents to the documents owner or the creator. But then if you really need to edit this documents real quick, you just need to go click these three small dots, and then just need to go click share and export and make a copy, and the application will copy everything, and you can edit these documents without changing the original documents that someone else have. And here you will see whenever you click the cells, there will be like an edit icon on this part. So you just need to go click it, and you can just edit the text just according to what you need, and you're done. So that is the way how to edit the view only documents on a Google Sheet application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.